So I got the nuts removed from the back side, and I've also got one to not remove, but loosen these two nuts on each side as much as I can. If you have to take them off, you got to take them off, but I'm going to do that, and then I'll be able to lift it up, put the straps on, and then tighten these nuts. Quick tip, this is a lot easier to install if your bug is you know, sitting just about normal, instead of jacking it all the way up with the axles popping down. So I jacked it up to give me some space, and then put it on blocks so that the axles could be sitting a little bit more normal. So I ended up taking the bolts out of the or the nuts out of the bottom, kind of get it in there, but also now I'm gonna have to take rubber mallet, kind of give it a little love. But also too, on the bottom you've got the little U-bolt. Make sure that that's not in contact with the bottom transmission. That's not going to be good. But just get it up there as close as you can, and then we'll put the straps on. All right, so you're gonna have to push this up to get it to reach, and make sure that this is on the inside of where your line goes. You're not pulling that up against your line. But also too, you got a washer that goes here, and this flap goes on, another washer, and then a nut. So I'm not in love with how short the studs are. I definitely would suggest maybe getting I don't know, like 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch longer studs and putting them in there. This is how I had it on the last transmission, and it did fine, but still would help. So, but that's it. I've got both sides tightened down, and then these 4 nuts. If you got any questions, just put them in the comments. You know, like the video and subscribe. Thanks, guys.